The innovative REMU EP series screening bucket maximizes lifting capacity without sacrificing volume. Suitable for excavators and loaders over 40 tons, these buckets come in various sizes and feature a star screen for effective material screening. The FarmDroid FD20 is a groundbreaking field robot that slashes seeding and weeding costs for farmers. It manages 6 to 8 rows concurrently, weighing 900 kilograms and covering 1.5 hectares per hour. The Top Cleaner Greenhouse Roof Cleaner is an efficient and affordable solution for Venlo greenhouse owners. It effortlessly removes dirt from glass and gutters, ensuring a sparkling clean finish. The CAT 586C is a formidable machine in the forestry sector, featuring a powerful 350 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 27 tons. This heavy-duty harvester stands out for its high fuel efficiency, advanced hydraulic system, and durable construction. Sandstone bed formers are essential for pre-cultivated soil. Equipped with chateau-style plows, they create wide trenches for stones and clods. The RTG MPZ 770 sheet piling press can erect 4 sheet pile walls simultaneously without auxiliary equipment, ideal for areas where vibration is unacceptable, like near buildings or power lines. The Zern Top Cut Collector is a cutting-edge mechanical weed harvester designed for organic farming. Featuring a double-cut knife and helical reel, it operates in widths of 9 to 12 meters, with conveyor belts directing weed seeds into a high dump hopper. The Caterpillar 349E excavator is a powerful and durable machine designed for heavy-duty construction and mining tasks. It boasts a 425 horsepower engine and an operating weight of approximately 107,000 pounds, 48,500 kilograms. Equipped with powerful drills and advanced hydraulic systems, these machines penetrate deep into the earth quickly and precisely. A dump truck stuck in deep mud was successfully recovered by a CAT excavator and a Komatsu bulldozer. The CAT excavator dug around the truck, while the Komatsu bulldozer provided the traction needed to pull it out, showcasing the power and coordination of both machines. Sophie Londana's gravel sweeper is designed to restore unpaved roads. Its front tiller collects debris, while the rotating wheel drum removes dirt and gravel. The Slag Taurus is a heavy-duty slag pot carrier designed for the steel industry. It efficiently handles and dumps molten slag from the steel-making process. Equipped with robust lifting mechanisms, it securely holds the slag pot, allowing precise control during transportation. The Westech Woodcracker C550 feller buncher is a powerful tree shear that effortlessly harvests trees up to 1.8 feet in diameter. In action, it clears an orange field of old windbreak trees, enhancing moisture and light for new growth. The Terex RH170 is a powerful hydraulic excavator built for demanding mining and construction tasks. It features dual engines providing a combined 1,620 horsepower, an operating weight of approximately 400 tons, and a bucket capacity of 34 cubic yards. A tractor plunged into a dam, necessitating assistance from an excavator. The excavator skillfully dug around the tractor, removing surrounding soil to create a path. Then, it used its powerful arm to pull the tractor back to safety. The Fendt 1050 Vario, known for its impressive power and advanced technology, pairs with the 8-furrow Lemken Diamant 11 for efficient on-land plowing. The 1050 Vario's robust engine and precise control systems ensure smooth operation, while the Lemken Diamant 11 plow's design allows for deep and consistent soil turnover. The Allcons EC6000 series is a versatile machine combining a bucket chain trimmer and pivot liner. It can simultaneously excavate and pave asphalt, making it ideal for precise, high-volume channel lining and continuous lining of canal and riverbeds. Two massive logs are carefully transported into the production facility, ready for processing. Watch as these giants are expertly handled and transformed into high-quality materials through cutting-edge machinery. The tail of this machine is lifted high into the air as it strains to lift a massive log, showcasing its immense power and effort in handling heavy loads. Watch as wooden cable drums come to life at our factory. Raw timber is shaped, assembled, and finished with precision to create durable, high-quality drums, blending traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. The Volvo L260H effortlessly lifts and lowers large timber bundles in the sawmill, showcasing its impressive power and precision in handling heavy loads. The tractor powers through a snowy battlefield, expertly rescuing a timber truck trapped in the deep snow. With its powerful traction and relentless drive, it hauls the stuck vehicle to freedom. Kiseved Kubik, firewood production machine, is engineered for continuous firewood production with high capacity, ensuring efficient and relentless performance for large-scale wood processing. A colossal log is expertly cut into various sized pieces by a powerful saw, preparing it for the next stage of production. Each slice is precisely shaped to meet specific processing needs. The Herrenknecht tunnel boring machine achieved a breakthrough at the Belchen Tunnel near Basel. This state-of-the-art machine excavates underground with precision, enabling the completion of tunnels efficiently and advancing infrastructure projects seamlessly. The excavator's firm grip and the grader's push create a powerful image, demonstrating skill and teamwork in overcoming challenging situations. John Deere's innovative autonomous tractor concept redefines compact power with its sleek, electric-driven design and integrated attachment system, boasting a formidable 500 kilowatt output. The Tigercat 875E is a versatile carrier equipped with 2 boom options for loading or wood handling in tough conditions. It features ergonomically positioned controls and a large touchscreen for enhanced machine control. The Senebigan 870, a steel giant equipped with a biomass grab, stands proudly on the dock as a symbol of strength and professionalism. Capable of lifting up to 40 tons, it's a vital ally for port workers in loading and unloading breakbulk cargo. The Marpet OJK 1.0 Plus VTRA cultivator played a pivotal role in revitalizing newly flooded marshlands in Finland. Employing advanced technology, this tiller swiftly and efficiently widened drainage ditches and cleared soil, enhancing water flow and fostering optimal conditions for both agriculture and local wildlife. The excavator's strong, precise arm grips the ground firmly, while the grader pushes from behind, creating a smooth and powerful image that showcases skill and collective effort in tackling challenging situations that cannot be overlooked. The hydraulic scrap shear VTN Shear C 113000 exerts 5,000 psi pressure, generating 300 gallons per minute, significantly altering the truck's original shape. The Echidna D4 HP stone cutting machine is a robust and adaptable tool for cutting concrete, stone and hard materials. Powered by a 420 cubic centimeter 4-stroke gasoline engine producing 15 horsepower, it reaches up to 3,600 revolutions per minute for efficient cutting. The Kemper C3003 Maximum Pickup is a high-performance tool designed for maximum through horsepower ute, durability and minimal maintenance, earning favorable reviews after extensive testing in Europe. Bell's Super Log Splitter is a powerhouse, boasting 76 tons of splitting force and a versatile 4-way wedge for splitting logs of all sizes. Equipped with a wireless remote control, it allows users to safely split logs from a distance, regardless of wood diameter or length. Winsco Land Clearing's new root rake is designed to work with the Cat D6RL GP crawler dozer, a 20-ton machine with a 185 horsepower engine. Made from high-strength steel, the 15-foot wide rake excels in land clearing. The 836K compactor, weighing around 55 tons and powered by 535 horsepower, stands out for its efficiency-boosting technologies. The versatile 610DT is a powerhouse designed for heavy-duty agricultural tasks. Featuring a 605 horsepower engine and a dual-track system, it delivers high torque and robust performance. The Komatsu 931XC is a top-tier forestry harvester designed for exceptional performance in challenging conditions. Powered by a 251 horsepower engine and weighing approximately 21 tons, this machine is built to handle steep slopes and difficult harvesting environments with ease. The Komatsu MC51 continuous miner is a standout at job sites, using its robotic cutter to break rock into small pieces and efficiently dig 16.4 by 16.4 foot tunnels. The Aerosam VT 6000 by Austrian manufacturer Binger is a cutting-edge trailed seed drill featuring advanced pneumatic technology with a 6.5 meter working width. Its hopper holds up to 12,125 gallons of seed, ensuring precise seed flow rates under any conditions. Bobcat skid steer loaders are highly versatile machines used across construction, landscaping, and agriculture. They offer compact size, excellent maneuverability, and increased productivity. The Heimac rock picker, designed for skid steers up to 140 horsepower, uses a high-torque hydraulic motor to collect rocks and boulders up to 500 millimeters in diameter. ACCU, cut giant concrete cutting machines equipped with a 91-inch diamond blade, exemplify modern construction technology. Their specialized equipment, including a patented skid steer saw, was used to precisely cut the Pellis Bayway Bridge in Florida. During its operation, an excavator overturned, requiring assistance from a crane. The crane was brought in to carefully lift the fallen excavator, stabilizing it and gradually bringing it back to an upright position. The 150 case steam engine, one of the largest steam traction engines ever built, demonstrates its immense power by plowing with a 36-bottom John Deere plow. This impressive machine, weighing over 25 tons and generating about 150 horsepower, effortlessly pulls the massive plow through the fields. The Liebherr 586 is a powerful wheel loader adept at handling hot slag in a steel mill. Its robust design and high-performance hydraulics allow it to efficiently scoop and transport heavy, molten slag. The Caterpillar 6090FS is the world's largest hydraulic excavator, primarily used in mining. It boasts an impressive 4,500 horsepower engine, an operating weight of 1,102 tons, and a bucket capacity of 68 cubic yards. The Wagner 2 WD log stacker is a standout due to its advanced design, which requires less maintenance and offers significant cost savings through reduced tire wear and improved fuel efficiency. The updated cab enhances operator visibility and comfort, boosting productivity. Front cutter blowers, FCBS, are snow removal machines attached to the front of tractors, designed for regions with heavy snowfall. They feature a large rotating blade that cuts and moves snow efficiently. The Mammoet PTC 200DS is a giant in the crane industry, stretching over 200 meters in length when fully extended, and weighing approximately 3,200 tons. Engineered for peak performance, this mammoth crane has an astonishing lifting capacity of up to 5,000 tons. The cutter soil mixing machine innovatively reinforces soil by immediately creating an earth-retaining wall, bypassing the need for puncturing piles, digging holes, and pouring concrete. This process builds the wall in 2 stages, efficiently strengthening the soil. The Komatsu D475A-8 is a robust bulldozer designed for heavy-duty tasks such as mining and quarrying. It boasts an engine power of 899 horsepower, 670 kilowatts, and an operating weight of 112,000 kilograms. Let's follow Mammoet's process of transporting a colossal Komatsu excavator down the road. This task involves meticulous planning and execution, ensuring the massive machine, weighing over 224 tons, is moved safely. A crane with a large wrecking ball is being used to demolish tall buildings. The crane swings the heavy ball with precision, striking the structure repeatedly until it collapses. The Savannah 1250 rotary brush stick rake excels in clearing land, effectively handling fallen trees and lifting stumps and roots. Its rolling process cleans dirt from wood waste, making it suitable for clean burning or biofuel production. The Savannah 1250 can clear up to 46 acres per hour. The Case 2050M bulldozer excels in power, precision, and agility. With a drawbar pull over 81,000 pounds and 214 horsepower, it handles land clearing and site development tasks with unmatched efficiency. Behold a surface bucket ladder treasure, an engineering marvel designed for extracting sand and gravel from wet quarries. The Ponce Elephant King is a powerhouse in the forestry industry, boasting an engine power of 286 horsepower and a weight of approximately 24 tons. OY was the final rotary snowplow, acquired by the DNRGW in 1923, alongside two K36 Mikado steam locomotives. This machine played a vital role in maintaining railway operations during severe winter conditions. The Diffco turf cutter revolutionized peat extraction. This innovative attachment offers high efficiency with a production output of 9 to 11 tons per hour. As it traverses the sugarcane fields, the modern harvester, equipped with sharp blades and cutters, efficiently cuts through the cane. A John Deere 2254 then employs a 6-meter grabber to swiftly load the harvested sugarcane into trucks for processing. The laden timber truck careens down a slick road, cascading into a dramatic overturn. The Senebogen 818 mobile material handler, equipped with a versatile grab arm, excels in recycling tasks. It features a long reach arm, can lift up to 42 tons, and delivers a torque of 240 kilonewton meters, ensuring precise and flexible operations. Zell's planter provided the answer to planting seeds over vast areas swiftly. This innovation likely achieves more growth in a month than humanity did in all of 200 years past. Pumpkin seeds are prized for their high zinc content and culinary versatility. Efficient harvesting with this machine enhances yield due to its remarkable speed, ensuring tasks are completed swiftly and efficiently. The Mense RP10 isn't just a hedge trimmer, it's your personal landscape architect on an excavator. With its 360-degree rotating cutting head and adjustable angles, it lets you creatively shape landscapes with precision. The Claas Lexion 8700TT combine harvester, equipped with the Convio 1230 header, is a powerhouse in achieving high wheat harvest yields. Its 37-foot-long cutting system and robust harvesting engine effortlessly separate seeds from the wheat, enhancing efficiency.